Hey guys, this is a Dell Dimension 8250. I just picked it up from one of the guys who gives me stuff. His name is Mark, and it's really dusty. As you can see, it's got dust everywhere you could imagine. I'm gonna open it up. I just wanted to show you how you open it up. This is the front, obviously. Here's the side, and here's the back. Now, on the left side here of the back, where all of the motherboard connections are, this is going to be the bottom. So if you look on top, see this tab here on top of the back, there's another one just like this underneath here. So I'm going to lay it down. I'm going to lay it down this way on this side here, which is the motherboard side, and then I'll open it up. I'm gonna pause it here while I lay it down because I don't want it to fall. So here it is laying on the side of the motherboard. Now remember the tab I showed you on the top here, this tab, and on the bottom there's another tab here. So what I'll do, I'll have to squeeze those two tabs in, and that'll release the top here. Let me see if I can do them one at a time. Yeah, got that one up. Now squeeze this one here. I got, okay, good. So now that I've got both tabs, I just raise this up like you would raise up the hood on a car, and that's everything in there. And it goes back even further. I gotta, hang on a minute, there, it goes all the way there. So that's the insides. Here you got your optical drives. Hard drive would go over here, your cable in. This is an older one, so it takes the IDE ribbon cables, the 40-pin IDE cables, and here's the motherboard. So I'm gonna give it a good vacuum in. You can see all of the dust that's just collected over the years. Alrighty, and to close it back, you just pull this down here and you close it. Let me do it for you anyhow, show you. Right, and there it's closed. Alright, thank you very much guys, goodbye.